In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive items in Monday.com so you can keep your boards clean, organized, and clutter-free. Archiving is a great way to remove completed or inactive tasks from your main view without permanently deleting them. If you're managing multiple projects, this feature can really help streamline your workflow. Make sure to watch until the end so you know how to archive single items as well as multiple items at once. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com. Log in using your email and password, or continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the specific board that contains the items you want to archive. Click on the board name to open it. Now that you're inside the board, scroll through and locate the item you want to archive. An item in Monday.com is essentially a row within your board. When you hover your mouse over the left side of that row, you'll notice a few options appear. To archive a single item, hover over the item and click on the three-dot menu icon located on the left side of the row. This opens a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From this menu, click on Archive and then select Archive Item. As soon as you click this option, the item will be removed from your active board view and moved into the archive. It's no longer visible in your main workflow, but it's not permanently deleted. If you need to archive multiple items at the same time, Monday.com makes that easy as well. Instead of using the three-dot menu for each row individually, use the checkboxes on the left side of the items. Click the checkbox next to each item you want to archive. You can select 2, 5, or even dozens of items at once depending on your needs. After selecting the items, look for the bulk action menu that appears, usually at the bottom or top of the board interface. From the available options, choose Archive. Confirm the action if prompted. Instantly, all selected items will be moved to the archive together. This is especially useful when closing out a project phase or cleaning up completed tasks in bulk. Keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. Archived items can still be accessed later through the board settings if you ever need to restore them. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently removes the data. So if you're unsure whether you'll need the information again, archiving is the safer option. That's it. You've successfully learned how to archive items in Monday.com, whether it's a single task or multiple items at once. Keeping your boards organized will help you and your team stay focused on what's currently important. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.